Greetings. Today's topic is going to be about predictive programming. This is probably going to be really deep. As many things I discuss, I think about it a lot. You know, with every new piece of information, you have to wear it like a necklace. Test it. So, I will begin with this. The present controls the past. The past controls the future. This may become more clearer as we go along. Thought is time. Time is a cycle. If not, then prediction and prophecy cannot be. Now, there are many theories on time. I'm under the theory that time is a cycle. I think that there are certain points in history that had to happen. Thought being time is only found in the past. Where do you get your thoughts from? It's all from memory, isn't it? This then is projected into the future. As human beings, in all sentient life forms, we look for order in our lives, in the phenomena that is around us. To do this, we sift through memory and categorize painful and pleasurable experiences to steer where we want to go. Now, take away the names of time, that is, past, present, and future. And you only have something that happened. You only have an event. In this, all moments of time are events. By drawing from pleasurable and painful experiences of the past, we then create in kind events that are appearing before us. Our life, therefore, is a loop of attraction and repulsion, of events that are governed by our experiences. When I say event from now on, I will mean time. Thoughts, which are events, are static points in a cyclic field. The relationship from thought to thought is space. That is the distance. Within that space, there are infinite variables of expression. Now, I define infinite, I think, in the most correct way. It means in space. Look up finite. It has something to do with space. And then you have in. So infinite does not necessarily mean endless. Space, therefore, is contained. The container is thought, like a net. These thoughts are constantly in reception and transference of influences. Now, I want to point to prediction and the cyclic nature of time. Prediction is control. It is the binding influences of all appearances and phenomena. My question is, who is the architect of such a system that we all have been born in? It is God. Is it God? It can't be. For to behold an image of God, we create God, becoming God to our creation. Who or what influenced our imagination to undertake such a task? Is there a point beyond? The word point suggests not. So we go back to where we started. Can the very concept of time disappear, thereby taking us out of this record? Well, let's go a little bit deeper. I think of a tree, so I have an image of a tree from past experiences. I look at a tree, so I see the tree physically, coupled with my image of a tree I hold from the past. I is the observer. The tree is what is observed. The image is the space in between. Remember, the space in between thoughts. The observer and the observed are thoughts or events, static positions of consciousness. I will define images as simulations. Simulations that are engineered. For us, our reality are simulations given to us by systems of predictive programming, a cycling process. Such are various tools of polar oppositions. It is playing with our minds, such as politics, social media, the extreme right, the left, and all that garbage, news, religion, science, philosophy, theories, dogmas, and beliefs. Now, remember I talked about the observer and space and what is observed. And remember I asked, okay, who gave us, who is the architect? Who is the prime influence of all this? Look at the world, how it is right now, its state. Okay? So, such as the predictive programming. If you modify the observer through media and all the like, then you modify the space in between that image. And now things get confused. Now the person doesn't really see reality for what it is, because the observer was modified. Other examples is like, GMO foods and all that. I mean, you're not thinking clearly. That modified observation now has an engineered image. That image is transferred to what they see. So, this is how behavior can be predicted by what I just said. By inputting a problem, then engineering a reaction to result in a solution. The image is the key. Question is, how are we to truly see without an image? How are we to truly feel, to see, to touch, when the most important thing is to feel, to see, and touch? Is it at that moment the observer and what is observed? There is no distance. And after that, can you be controlled? So, yeah, feel free to I'm open to discussion. All right, take care.